Hey, what is up again, number one? This is Ron and I'm back again with a brand new video here on my channel, Rock and Run. So for today, I just want to share with you guys this micro 1:400 scale BIG-ZAM kit. Alright, awesome. So the thing is, this kit was released way back 2005 and I bought this way back 2008 for only $14. And I think as I tried to research online, and I saw one being sold brand new unbuilt for $165. So the thing is, the price has increased tenfold, and that could be because of the rarity of this kit, because this is discontinued and you may have a hard time finding this if you want one nowadays. Alright, awesome. So yep, let's take a quick look on the box itself. So the box art looks nice, looks really awesome. So once again, this is 1:400 scale, really small, like a micro machine sized scale figure or kit. Alright, awesome. And it shows right here, it says that it's already a painted model, so no need for panel lines or paint. This is already detailed. Alright, awesome. So yep, and just like what I said before, this was released way back 2005, as it shows on the date on the bottom of the box here. Alright, so as you can see, the box is really old. There's a lot of creases, and that's because of the storage, due to old storage. Because once again, I got this way back 2008. So yeah, on the side of the box, this is how it looks like once it is fully assembled. Looks really awesome. So the thing is, this kit is already pre-built, so the only thing that you need to build on this kit is the legs and the hips, and other than that, you're good to go. And the legs are fully articulated. You can post them however you like, and it looks awesome. So on this kit, there is this 3 little figures that is included, like a Gashapon micro scale figures, which is the RX-78, the core booster with the core fighter, and the G-Fortress figure. So the thing is, what I'm missing on this kit of mine was that the stance is already missing, and I already lost the RX-78 because once again, I got this way back 2008 and I lost them because that's a small figure. Alright, I was quite careless. So yeah, once again, that's the size of the box. And also there's this included diorama stand, like a rough terrain diorama stand right here. Looks really awesome. Alright, so once again, this is the box, and on the side of the box, this is how it looks like. It's really awesome. Once again, the box is really old. Alright, specifications of the BIG-ZAM right here. Alright, there you go. Alright, so yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this, and I'm going to showcase to you and review to you this figure, this rare kit, which is the micro scale BIG-ZAM. Alright, awesome. Alright, so once again, I'm back, and now we're going to unbox, and I'm going to showcase to you this micro scale BIG-ZAM already built out of the box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and remove the cover of the box here. Alright, awesome. So first, this is the manual for the BIG-ZAM. So even though I got this way back 2008, I still get the manual still intact. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So just like I said before, the upper part of the BIG-ZAM is already pre-assembled, already detailed, so no need for panel lines or paint. Looks already awesome. Alright, so on this kit, there's only 2 runners, and that's the assembly for the feet and the legs, and you're good to go. And also, this is the included rough terrain diorama stand, and the runners for the stands for the minifigures, and that's about it. Alright, so on the other side of the manual here, so this is the upper part of the BIG-ZAM. So just like I said, the only thing that you need to attach on the upper part is the antennae and the 2 side fins on the BIG-ZAM. So by the way, these 2 antennae and these 2 side fins are made of soft vinyl, plastic or rubber, so no need for those parts to be break because those are flexible. Alright, awesome. So this is the assembly for the feet. Alright, looks really awesome. So by the way, there's no polycaps on this assembly, and I'm quite surprised that even though I got this way back 2008, the joints are still intact and still tight. I can still post them however I like, and no loose joints and whatnot. Alright, awesome. So once again, more details for the assembly for the legs and feet. And this is the assembly for the minifigures. So by the way, for the minifigures, it's made of soft vinyl or rubber, and it's already painted. No need to paint them. It's already detailed. Looks awesome. Alright, so once again, this is the BIG-ZAM, and that's about it for the manual. So for the other contents inside the box, there's this included brochure for the BIG-ZAM. Alright, looks really awesome. Once again, quite a rarity nowadays, hard to find. Alright, so on the other side of this brochure, there's this box art for the minifigures, the G-Armor, the core booster, and the RX-78. Alright, awesome. So once again, on the other side, there is this anime illustrations for the BIG-ZAM. Looks really awesome. That's quite neat. Alright, and that's about it for the manual on the brochure. So for the other contents, this is the base diorama wrap terrain stand for the BIG-ZAM. So it's made of plastic, but it doesn't feel plasticky. It looks nice. So once again, this is made of Bandai, made in Bandai, and this was way back 2005. Alright, awesome. So for the other contents, this is the box where you will find the upper part of the BIG-ZAM. It is included on the set. So once again, already pre-assembled, and that's about it. And finally, this is the already built BIG-ZAM kit. Alright, so yeah, once again, it looks awesome, still intact, already detailed, no need for panel lines or paint, as you can see right here. Alright, looks really awesome. So once again, just like I said before, the joints are still intact and still tight. Even if I shake this, there's no loose joints or whatnot, it's still tight. Okay, so as you can see right here, it's pretty detailed. So for the articulation, for the big hyper mega particle cannon on the front, you can move this up and down just like that. It is articulated, and just like I said, the antenna and the fins for this BIG-ZAM is flexible, so no need to worry about this breaking. Alright, flexible like rubber or soft vinyl, and also the antenna is flexible. Looks really awesome. And now for the other articulations, for the booster underneath the BIG-ZAM, this is also articulated. You can move this like this, and that's about it. And for the legs, it's on a ball joint. You can move this this way. As far as that, again, you can also move it backwards right here. Once again, still intact, still tight. And also you can move the knees of this BIG-ZAM. It's not double jointed, but the articulation is quite good. You can move it like that, and it looks awesome. And also the feet for the BIG-ZAM is articulated. The individual toes for the BIG-ZAM is articulated, as you can see right here. It's on a ball joint. You can move it like that, and that's awesome. Alright, so that's about it for the BIG-ZAM kit. So for the other things included in the box, the minifigures for the RX-78, the core booster, and the G-Fortress, I'm going to show it to you, so one moment. So this is the other part of the minifigures. Alright, looks really awesome. And this is the, I think this is the G-Bull, what you call the G-Bull right here. So the thing is, you can combine this all together to build the G-Fortress. And also this is the core booster with the core fighter. Alright, so it's really small, as you can see right here. Alright, looks really awesome. So once again, this is made of soft vinyl, and no need to worry about this breaking. And yeah, already painted, no need to paint them. Alright, looks really awesome. So once again, just like I said, I already lost the RX-78 Gundam, but I do have this 1:400 scale Exia figures. And also I do have the Exia with the sword. Alright, looks really awesome. And we're going to do a comparison side by side with the BIG-ZAM and this minifigure. So once again, this is 1:400 scale. So it is in scale with the BIG-ZAM and micro scale. Looks really awesome. And also I do have this what is this, the V Gundam. I think this is the, what do you call this, the Victory Gundam. Yes. Alright, so that's about it for the contents inside the box. So I'm going to use display base 1 for this kit, and we're going to showcase this, and after this we're good to go. Alright, awesome. So yeah, there you go. So the micro scale BIG-ZAM. Without further ado, let's go ahead and do the montage, and after this we're good to go. Alright, awesome.
スーツこのビグザムはやらせるか。やらせはせんぞ。貴様ごときモビルスーツにジオンの栄光をやらせはせん。俺がいる限りはやらせはせんぞ。
何者なんだ。なんだ。
Alright, so once again I'm back, and finally I was able to showcase and review to you this old rare kit from 2005, the Micro 1:400 scale BIG-ZAM kit. Alright, really awesome. So once again I bought this way back 2008 for only $14, and I'm quite surprised that I saw one on eBay being sold brand new and built for $165, and that's quite expensive. So the price has gone up tenfolds, and that could be because this kit is quite rare nowadays. It is hard to find and it is discontinued. But the thing is, that's just one reseller, so you might find this kit for a cheaper price from other resellers or other sites. So if you're trying to find one, then good luck with you. So once again, this kit is awesome. Even though it's micro scale, this will be an awesome piece to add in your collection. So just like I said, even though I got this way back 2008, the joints are still intact and still tight, no issues with it. And the plastic, there's no discolorations with it. So overall, it is an awesome kit. Alright, so yep, that's about it. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe and the like button. I will highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. So once again, this is Ron. Rock on, stay awesome, and have a good one.